Hello, this is Joe. Today I'm gonna tell you about a air pump that I just bought. Comes with a manual here, a bag, a little manual, and this clips right to your battery. Always, this is the pump here. It's got a switch on the front, on-off switch. So you turn on, you get an LED light, and then on top, you use the plus and minus to adjust the pressure. In our case, we're using PSI, so you can use the plus or minus to adjust it. And then once on the other end of the hose here, you got a nice screw on here. Screws onto the valve stem, and then you just hit the power button, turns on. Once it hits that PSI, pump shuts off, and it holds the air. It doesn't leak any air out like I've seen other pumps. This is a great one to have if you're, I mean really for anybody, whether you're full-time RV, if you're just have your car side of the road and you need to add some air to a tire. Always it's pretty straightforward. Just take the hose, you'd unscrew the valve here, hook this on, you'll hear a little air come out, and then once it makes the connection, no more air, and you're solid. You don't need to make it real tight, just tight enough to make sure that's not leaking any air. And then you just come over, push the power button, tells you what your current pressure is. Hit the power, it turns on, and then it goes back to that, and then all you got to do is unscrew this, and as long as you do it pretty quick, you won't lose too much air, and then you are all set and ready to go. One thing I do like about this unit, I'm going to turn this to off, is it's got a fuse in it already, tied into the power cord. So if you are running this for a long time and it starts overheating, you won't blow out the motor here, it'll pop the fuse. Otherwise, you follow this cable up, it clamps right down to your battery. So it's got two alligator clamps for your positive and negative to run it so it doesn't plug into a cigarette lighter. So you can use this on your car, truck, camper, just to make sure you got the right tire pressure in your tires. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.